So now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to increase back to 32. So I've already knit one on here. I'm going to knit another. And then I'm going to grab this loop and loop it back on top and knit into the back of it. That gives me a new stitch using the bar without a hole. So 1, 2, then expose that bar, grab with, this is the one you usually just slip things onto, but in this case you grab underneath and you flip that onto it. And then you pretend like that one is a regular stitch. So again, there we go. We're adding stitches. 1 regular knit, 1 regular knit, grab the bar and flip it up and knit into it. Good. 1 regular knit, 1 regular knit, grab the bar, flip it up, and sometimes you kind of have to adjust, knit into it. Regular knit, grab the bar, knit into it. Regular knit, grab the bar, knit into it. Regular, grab the bar, loop it up. We'll finish this row and then we'll count. Hopefully I should have 32 again. I don't know, I might have picked the wrong number, but let's check. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I must have picked the wrong amount slightly, but that's okay. You can see the edges don't look that different, and I can play with it. Maybe on this next round, I'll go ahead. Let's see, how close am I to 32? I'm at 35, so I just have to knit 3 together to get back to 32. So I'm gonna knit in a little bit. I think I'll go number 5 and number 6 from the end. Knit those together, and I'll go somewhere towards the middle. Somewhere in the middle here. Let's see, a little bit further. If I go from 5 or 6, if that's the other one, a little bit further. Ooh, maybe this next one. Here, we'll do it right here. Knit 2 together. Oops. So let's do it again. Put this out through, knit both of those together, and then keep going. Got to readjust my ball here. The side. And what did we say? 5 or 6 from the end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are going to go together. So a few left. Where was it? 5 or 6? There's 5 and there's 6. So I need to do 3 more and then I knit 2 together. Oh, did I say 3 more? Yes, 3 more. Then I'm going to knit these 2 together. And keep going. Not having a pattern, but trying to stick to the same number and like just doing one that's textured kind of for fun and almost like playing with it and fixing your accidents on purpose, I think is a great way to learn. And you'll see, like in here, you can see that there's some areas that have a little bit of a hole where we've been changing things up, which if you do it in a measured way, just starts to increase the texture. So now we can continue on. Then there's 2 sides to this. So, you know, it's up to you. This is a reversible deal. Which one you think is the one that you'd like facing the outside may change as you go. A lot more purl stitches on this side and a lot more knit stitches on this. What happens when I knit on top of a purl? There's a purl on the other side. Oops. Whoa. So you could play around with this, and then so 32, what is 32 divisible by? It's definitely divisible by 2. So you know that you could change every other stitch. You can do a pattern of 2. That would work. I'm going to do a pattern of 1, of course. But think about it. You can think about that ahead of time. You can do units that are divisible by 9 and 6. That can give you some good options to play with. You could think about making sure it's divisible by 2 and 10. Or 2 and 5. So for example, if you did one that was 20 wide, 20 stitches wide, you can divide that equally into 10, and you can also divide that equally into 2s. You see how that will make a purl stitch appear over on that side that has more knit stitches. So if we're thinking about creating an interesting texture, that is one idea.